Welcome friends, welcome to our channel. So let's get start our new product review video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a must-have accessory for any MacBook Pro user. The USB 3.0 Type-C adapter docking station. This compact hub promises to turn your single USB-C port into a powerful multitasking machine. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the design is sleek, lightweight, and minimal, which pairs perfectly with any MacBook Pro setup. This hub connects via USB Type-C and expands your connectivity options significantly. You get a USB 3.0 port for high-speed data transfer. Two USB 2.0 ports. Great for mice, keyboards, or other peripherals. A TF and SD card reader, super handy. For photographers and videographers. And yes, it even includes an audio output jack, something the newer MacBooks are sorely missing. I've been using this hub for a week now, and here's how it holds up. Transferring a 4GB file from an external SSD took under 30 seconds. That's the speed we like to see. The card readers are fast and detected instantly by the MacBook. No drivers needed. Audio output through the 3.5 mics. Jack is clear, with no noticeable latency or distortion. USB 2.0 peripherals work flawlessly. No lag, no disconnections. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. Affordable and compact plug-and-play functionality. Compatible with MacBook Pro and most USB-C laptops. Great for travel or desk setups. Cons. Limited to one USB 3.0 port. Doesn't support video output like HDMI, so it's not for extending. Displays audio output might not satisfy audio files. For the price, this USB-C docking station is a great value for students, creators, and professionals on the go. While it's not a full docking solution, it nails the basics and is incredibly portable. If you're tired of dongle life, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Check out the link in the description for the best deal, and let me know in the comments what you're using to expand your MacBook's connectivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tech review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.